Welcome to our channel, where we explore the timeless wisdom of ancient philosophies and how they can enhance our modern lives. Today, we dive into Stoicism, a philosophy that has guided some of the greatest minds in history. In this video, we'll uncover the 10 rules only smart men follow. Let's get started. Rule 1. Control your perceptions. Rule number 1. Control your perceptions. Stoicism teaches that our perceptions shape our reality. A smart man understands that by managing his thoughts, he can remain calm and composed, regardless of external circumstances. Rule 2. Accept what you can't control. Next, accept what you can't control. The Stoics believed in focusing on what you can change and accepting what you cannot. This mindset frees you from unnecessary stress and allows you to channel your energy productively. Rule 3. Practice negative visualization. Rule 3 is practice negative visualization. Imagine the worst-case scenario and then prepare for it. This practice helps you build resilience and appreciate what you have. Rule 4. Focus on virtue. Focus on virtue. For the Stoics, virtue was the highest good. A smart man prioritizes integrity, courage, wisdom, and temperance in all his actions. Rule 5. Live in accordance with nature. Live in accordance with nature. This rule means understanding the natural order and our place within it. It's about living simply, appreciating the beauty around us, and being mindful of our impact on the environment. Rule 6. Embrace discomfort. Embrace discomfort. Stoics believe that growth comes from stepping outside your comfort zone. By embracing challenges and discomfort, you build strength and resilience. Rule 7. Reflect daily. Reflect daily. Take time each day to reflect on your actions and thoughts. This practice helps you learn from your experiences and continuously improve yourself. Rule 8. Practice gratitude. Practice gratitude. Recognize and appreciate the good in your life. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering a positive outlook. Rule 9. Seek wisdom. Seek wisdom. A smart man never stops learning. Whether it's through reading, conversations, or experiences, continually seek knowledge and understanding. Rule 10. Be present. Finally, be present. The Stoics emphasize the importance of living in the moment. By fully engaging with the present, you make the most of your time and connect deeply with your experiences. These 10 rules are simple, yet profound. By incorporating them into your life, you can navigate challenges with grace and wisdom, just like the Stoics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments how you apply Stoic principles in your life. Until next time, stay wise and stay strong.